ebike B9A assembly instruction. Open the carton box. Take the e-bike out of the carton as well as the accessories box. Take out the pedals, charger and toolkit from the accessories box. Carefully remove all packing materials from the bike. Do not use sharp tools to avoid damaging the painted surface. Remove accessories and protective covers from the tire. Unscrew the nuts on both sides and remove the connecting rod. And remove the fork protection plastic. Insert the axle into the front wheel. Remove the nut and spring at one end from the axle. Insert the axle into the hub. Rotate and tighten the nut and lock it out with quick release handle. Carefully remove any remaining packaging material from the bicycle. Do not use sharp tools to avoid damaging the painted surface. Various types of tools are included in the tool kit. Pick up the matching tool and unscrew the 4 screws on the handle. Place the removed plastic piece on the stem in the middle of the handle. Then install the 4 screws and tighten them. Remove the fender packaging. Select the appropriate tool and remove the screws from the fork. Install both the headlight and fender with one screw and tighten the nut. Install the connecting shafts on both sides of the front fender on the front fork. Take apart the pedals, which are the left and right pedals. Install the pedals in the left and right directions and tighten them. Remove the seat cover. Install seat and adjust the suitable height. Unscrew the 2 screws on the rear wheel frame. Put the wires into the protective bracket. Then align the 2 screw holes. Take the shorter screw and screw it into the upper hole. The longer screw is screwed into the hole below. Insert the key into the lock and turn on the power. After installation is complete, long press the power button to turn on the display. In this way, the assembly of a bicycle is completed.